Today we're going to make some easy venison jerky. Hi, I'm Ron and Judy's behind the camera and we're Full-Time Dream. And today we're going to make venison jerky out of ground meat using the kit that we picked up from Walmart. It's a hickory jerky mix and we're going to see how it works out. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out with 5 pounds of ground venison, and we don't add anything to our venison. This is just straight venison that we have. I'm going to get it into a little, mix it up a little bit better here. We didn't process this deer. This was the first deer that I got this year, and because of how warm it was, we didn't have time to take it in, hang it, and process it on our own without it going bad. So I took it to a processor. Okay, what we need to do first is we need to give a half a cup of water to the 5 pounds of meat. We have a packet of curing salt, Winfield Jerky Cure. That's a 1.6 ounce little package. And I'm going to mix that up. We're going to mix in the hickory jerky seasoning mix. The package that we got came with enough to do 10 pounds of meat. So there was 2 packages of each, the seasonings cure and the jerky seasoning mix. You got to work it in really good. Okay, we've got the meat all mixed up together with all the seasoning and the curing salt, and we're gonna let it. We're gonna put a little piece of parchment paper over the top of it and put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours and let it kind of marinate a little bit, and then we'll get back to you. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna load our jerky gun. It looks like a giant caulking gun. It comes out so it makes the meat come out a 1/4 inch thick and about an inch wide strip. We're going to put it into the dehydrator 1 rack at a time. Let's see what we get going on here. It looks like we're going to have quite a few batches. We're going to probably try to do some also in the Ninja oven to see how that works out. But what we do is we put the top on after all the trays are full. The top goes on. We set it at 160 degrees. And we plug the thing in and the dehydrator starts. Now with using the dehydrator, we have to do this meat at 160 degrees for 4 to 15 hours depending, but it says that once it shrinks to half of its size that you put it in there, then it should be good. You're supposed to go through every so often and pat it dry to get whatever oils or whatever off the top of it, but we'll come back to you when we get it done. Okay, we're going to do a little batch in the air fry oven, the Ninja Foodie, just to see how it turns out compared to the other. It says to set it at 150 degrees. So we're going to put it in there and we're going to go and try to go with the same amount of time as we do on the dehydrator and see if we have to adjust our time from there. Okay, so here we have it. This is the jerky that we put in the Ninja air fry oven. It turned out pretty good. This was the first batch that we did. And the second batch that we have is ready to come out of the dehydrator now. So we're going to be enjoying some venison jerky for a little while and giving some to some of the family and friends. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and share it with your friends. Thank you very much. Bye now.